Hey there, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're a fan of high-speed thrills and cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Because today, we're diving into the top 5 best RC cars in 2025 that are guaranteed to blow your mind with their performance, design, and features. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a serious RC enthusiast, we've got something epic for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button to stay updated with the latest reviews and awesome tech. And if any of these RC beasts catch your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description box below. Get ready to unleash pure excitement with the JELIFE 1-16 Brushless RC Car, built for adult thrill seekers and engineered to hit speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. This four-wheel drive powerhouse is perfect for dirt, grass, and pavement, featuring a rugged interchangeable PVC shell and TPR rubber tires that resist wear and extreme conditions. It comes alive at night with 16 vibrant RGB LED lights, offering multiple modes for that extra flair. Its stunt-ready design allows for wheelies, drifts, and sharp turns, all stabilized by an independent suspension and dual metal plastic differentials. Power meets precision in the RIAARIO 1/10. Brushless RC Car, a monster truck capable of 50+ mph speeds thanks to its 3650, 2650 kV motor, enhanced by a metal heatsink and cooling fan system. With a 7075 gear servo, boasting 11 kg torque, and a built-in gyroscope, this beast is ready to respond instantly. It's highly customizable, featuring a 60 amp ESC compatible with 2 S3S batteries, and it's even upgradable to 4S with a 120 amp ESC. Its CNC crafted drivetrain components, including a central differential, bevel gears, and reduction gear, guarantee smooth, efficient power delivery. Meet the WIAORCHI 1/14 Brushless RC Truggy, a high-speed 4x4 that's built for extreme terrain and jaw-dropping acceleration. Powered by a 4,200 kilovolt 4-pole brushless motor with a waterproof 45 ampere electronic speed controller, it rockets past 50+ miles per hour with ease. The 3S battery system and dual battery slots deliver up to 44 minutes of racing fun, while its all-metal drivetrain, steel differential outdrives, and aluminum alloy chassis ensure maximum durability. Its monster tires with airless paddle options let you shred through snow, sand, mud, and more. Next up is the BEZGAR HP 163S, a 1-16 scale, brushless four-wheel drive RC truck that explodes to speeds of 68 kph, thanks to its upgraded 2845 motor with a cooling fan and reinforced aluminum heatsink. Built for hardcore hobbyists, it features oil-filled metal shocks, metal drive shafts, adjustable tie rods, and high-torque ESC components that guarantee consistent power and stunt-ready resilience. With 2 high-capacity 7.4 volts, 25 degrees Celsius modular batteries, you get over 40 minutes of runtime. This monster truck isn't just about speed, it's made for off-road survival with a splash-proof ESC, reinforced chassis, and impact-resistant upgrades to withstand any bash, crash, or flip. Topping our list is the HyperGo 14210 H14B MV3, the ultimate 1/14th brushless RC Truggy that redefines high-speed off-roading. Capable of reaching 50 miles per hour, this 4x4 beast is powered by a 4,400 kilovolt 4-pole motor and a 45 ampere electronic speed controller system that handles 2 Series 3 series batteries with ease. It features a rugged 6061 aluminum alloy chassis, a sealed steel differential system, and powder metallurgy gears for superior durability. The new chassis layout optimizes torque delivery by 30%, boosting responsiveness and structural strength. With telescopic steel driveshafts, a heavy-duty drivetrain, and an independent receiver system, this car is fine-tuned for extreme bashing.